At Be Somebody, we're helping build some of the world's best companies, from the inside out and the bottom up. Purpose-driven and passionate, resilient and relentless. Beginning with the foundation that's rooted in their own vision, mission, and values, and then helping add the most important ingredient, you. People. Great people. The right people for the right position with the right skills. Reverse engineering a new path for learning that begins with the end in mind and ends with the guaranteed job. Programs that are focused, fast, and far less expensive than traditional alternatives. Then we tackle the business. All aspects and all angles. Strategy, consulting, creative, content, social and digital. Helping elevate company products and build employer brands. Whatever it takes to help our partners grow. And finally, once the foundation is firm, the people are right, and the business is strong, we focus on legacy and longevity. And we believe that all relies on one thing: culture. How a company speaks and behaves, how it treats people within its walls and around the world. We help create company cultures that win the right way and that inspire camaraderie and community. Culture is where it all comes together. And when all those parts are perfectly put in place, with intention, effort, and energy, then we can truly live our own purpose, to help people live their passion, which is where this whole thing started in the first place. We're building this together.